Now students, in example 5, so what he has given, using the theorem, so without actual division, state whether the decimal form of the following rational numbers are terminating or non terminating, that we have to say. So either the decimal given, so rational numbers without actual dividing, so we should say either they are terminating decimals or non terminating decimals. The first question, 16/25. So 16, so first 16 as it is. So then after that we should split the denominator, so as a product of prime factors. 125. 125 means 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Here the denominator, that is q, so as a product of 5s. So if the denominator is as a product of 5s or as a product of 2s or as a product of 5s and 2s, then we can convert the given, so p by q, rational number, into terminating decimal. So this is a terminating decimal. This is terminating decimal. So why this is terminating decimal? So the q means denominator, so the product prime factors are 5s. Okay. The next, numerator same and the denominator 32. So then how can we split as the product of prime numbers? 32. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Here the product of 2s. The denominator is the product of 2s, then this is the terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. So if the denominator is a product of 5s or product of 2s or 2s and 5s, then that is terminating decimal. Now 100/81, the numerator same, then split the denominator as the product of prime factors, that is 81. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So here the denominator is a product of 3s. So it is the product of 3s, so it is non terminating decimal. So if the denominator is the product of 5s or product of 2s or product of 5s and 2s, then that is a terminating decimal. Other than that, non terminating decimal. This is non terminating decimal. Non terminating decimal. The next one, 41. So the 41 same. Then 75, 3 into 5 into 5. So 3 5s are 15, 15 5s are 75. Here the denominator is a product of 3s and 5s. 3s and 5s, here 3 is there, so that is why it is non terminating. So the denominator should be in terms of 2 or in terms of 5 or in terms of the combination of 2 and 5s. Then only, so that is a terminating decimal. Other than that number 3, here 3 came in the denominator. So that is why it is non terminating decimal. Non terminating decimal. This is non terminating decimal. Okay. Now in example 6, the question is, write the decimal form of the following rational numbers without actual division. Without actual division, so we should write the decimal means fractions into decimal, rational numbers into decimal numbers. So then how to write? 35 by 30, 35 divided by 30. So this 30 we should write into prime factors. So then how to convert? 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 6 5s are 30, 6 5s are 30. Now students, here 35 by 50 is given here, 50. So we should take 50 here, 35 by 50. So then split 50 into prime factors. So then 2 5s are 10, 10 5s are 50, 2 into 5 into 5. So then 35 by, here 2 5s we have, only 1 2 we have. So 2 5s, so more 1 2 we need. So to equal 5s and 2s, to make equal 5s and 2s, more 1 2 we need. So we should divide and multiply with 1 2, that is 2 into 5 into 5 same, more 1 2 we need. So we should divide and multiply with 2. So more how many 2s or how many 5s we need. So with that we should divide and multiply, divide and multiply. Okay, it means multiply numerator and denominator with that number. Okay, so here 2 means here 2 5s we have, here only 1 2 we have. So to make equal to these 5s, so more 1 2 we need. So now we will get 2 2s and 2 5s. So then 35 2s are 70 by 2 5s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 10 into 10, then 70, right, 10 10s are 100, 1 0 will get cancelled, means with 10 table it will cancel, 10 7s are 10 10s are, that is 7 by 10. In the denominator we have 1 0, it means after 1 digit in the numerator, after 1 digit, that is 7, we keep a decimal, and after that nothing is there, means 0 we should keep, 0.7. Okay, now 21 by 25, then 21 by numerator same and denominator split into prime factors. 25 means 5 into 5. So here how many 5s we have? 2 5s. It means 2 2s we need. So with 2 2s we should divide numerator and multiply numerator and denominator. How many 2s we need? So with that multiply numerator and denominator. Here 21 into 2 2s are 4 by 5 2s are 5 are 25, 25 2s are 50, 50 2s are 100. Then 21 4s are 84, 84 by 100. Here we have 2 zeros, means after 2 digits we keep a decimal. So 4 and 8. After 2 digits we keep a decimal from right to left, that is 0.84, 0.84. Now 7 by 8, numerator same and denominator. Here 8 we have, split into prime factors, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Here how many 2s we have? 3 2s, means 3 5s also we need. Multiply with 3 5s, numerator and denominator, 5 into 5 into 5, here also 5 into 5 into 5. 7 5s are 35, 7 5s are 35, 5 5s are 25 by 5 2s, 5 2s are 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40, 40 2s are 40 2s are 2000, 5s are 10,000, 1000 this is. So 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 10 are 100, 100, 1000, you will get 1000. Now 25 35s are, 25 5s are 125 and 12, 25 3s are 75, 85, 87, means 875 by 1000. After 3 digits we keep a decimal. Why? Because here 3 zeros we have, means 1000 we have. 1000 means after 3 digits, first digit, second digit and third digit, we keep a decimal. After that nothing is left, means 0, 0.875. So without division, so we convert the given rational numbers into terminating decimals. Okay. So now the students see here. So the first question in exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3. Our first question is, so write the following rational numbers in their decimal form. In their decimal form, and also state which are terminating and which are non-terminating decimals. Here rational numbers are given. So this is a rational number in the form of p by q. So all these are rational numbers: 3 by 8, 229 by 400, 4 1 by 5, 2 by 11. All these are rational numbers. These rational numbers we should convert into decimal form. So decimal form we should convert into decimal form. After converting decimal form, state either they are terminating decimals or non-terminating decimals. Here two methods are there too. So say terminating or non-terminating. So first, so just we divide with 8 and 8 divides with 3 and say either it is a terminating or non-terminating, or otherwise second method is there. In the second method, so splitting denominator into prime factors. If the prime factors of the denominators are in terms of 5s, 2s or 5s and 2s, then that is the terminating. So two methods are there. So whatever the method, so you want to follow, that's your wish. Why? Because here particularly he is not asking to follow particular this method. So any method we can follow. So here, so I want to split so the denominators prime factors, and after that, so we can say either it is a terminating or non-terminating decimal. Okay. Now here 3 by 8. So 3 by 8. 8 we should split into prime factors. How? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So this is a prime factors, 8 prime factors. These are 8 prime factors, 2 into 2 into 2. So the denominators prime factors are 2s. If the denominator prime factors are 2s or 5s or a combination of 2 and 5s, they are terminating decimals. And so after that, decimal numbers, so first numbers in the decimal form, so we should convert into decimal form. Here how many 2s we have? 3 2s we have. So that's why we should take 3 5s. So with that we should multiply numerator and denominator. So multiply with 3 5s, 5 into 5 into 5 divided by 5 into 5 into 5. So then, so why we are multiplying numerator and denominator with the same number? So if we multiply with the same number, so the value never change. So that is why with the same number we should multiply numerator as well as the denominator. Okay. Now, so 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 3s are 375, 375 by 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, means 10 into 10 into 10. It is 375 by 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. So in the denominator we have 1000. If it is 1000 in the denominator, it means after 3 digits from right to left we get a decimal point. So first place is 5 and the second is 7 and third is 3. After 3 digits we keep a decimal. So why? Because here 1000 is there. If 1000 is there, we should keep a decimal after 3 digits. If 100 is there in the decimal, mean the denominator, so after 2 digits we keep a decimal. If 10 is there, so then after 1 digit we keep a decimal. So after the number nothing is there, means 0 we should take, that is 0.375. This is the decimal form. This is the rational number into decimal form, rational number into decimal form. And after that what he is asking, also state which are terminating or which are non-terminating. So this is here the decimal, means the number stops here, it means it's not continuous. So it means it is a terminating decimal, it's terminating decimal, it's terminating decimal. So it's a terminating decimal. Otherwise we can take 8 and divides with 3, 8 divided by 3, then also you will get the same thing only. So the same thing only you will get. So 8 divided by, so 3 divided by 8. So then take 8 and divides with 3, divides with 8, 3 divides with 8, the same number you will get. So two methods we have. So how it is? Simple, 8 divides 3 like this, point. So point means here is 0, 3 4s are 3, 8, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 3s are 24 and minus 6 left, 60 will come. So 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 7s are 56, and after that 4 will come 0, 8 5s are 40, then 40 minus 40 is 0, 0.375, 0.375. Both the methods are there. So he is not asking a particular method, any method we can follow. Okay. So now, so the next question, 229 so by 400. So then 229 divided by 400. So then how to write in prime factors. So denominator 229, numerator same, 400 we should write in prime factors, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So once you take out prime factors of 400, 2 200s are 200s are 250s are 225s are, and after that 5 into 5. So how many 2s? 1 2 3 4, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times, after that 5 into 5, 5 into 5. This is our rough column. Now after that 229 by 1 2 3 4, that is 2 power 4 into 1 2, 5 power 2. Here in the denominator we have 4 2's and 2 5's. So we should equate, so this powers, to equate this powers, more 2 5's we need. So more 2 5's. If you take more 2 5's, then you will get 4 5's and 4 2's. So if you take more 2 5's, then we will get 4 2's and 4 5's in the denominator. So we should take 2 5's in the numerator, that is 5 square, and 2 5's in the denominator. Then that is 229 into 2 5's means 5 square. 5 square means 5 into 5, 25 by, here 2 power 4 into 5 power 4. So you will get 2 power 4 same, 5 square and 5 square, that is 5 power 4, basis same, powers added. Now 229 with 25, multiply with 25, 25 9s are 225, 5 here, 222 there, 25 2s are 50, 50 plus 22, 50, 60, 70, 72, 72 and 7, 25 2s are 50, 50 plus 7, 57, 50 plus 7, 57 by, so 2 power 4 and 5 power 4 is 2 5s are 10, 10 power 4. Then 5725 divided by 10 power 4 means 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000, 1000 tens are 10,000. So here you will get 10,000. So in the denominator we have 10,000 means after 4 digits we have a decimal, that is after 4 places. So 5 2 7 5, after 4 places decimal. Then after the decimal nothing is there means we should take 0, 0.5725. So this is terminating decimal, terminating decimal, this is our terminating decimal. Okay students. Now the next one, 4 1 by 5 mixed fraction is given. First this mixed fraction we should convert into a proper fraction. So 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21 by 5. In denominator we have 1 5. So to make it 10, so we need 1 2. So it means we should divide numerator and denominator with 2. So that is 21 by 5 into 2 by 2. 21 2s are, we should multiply 21 with 2. 21 into 2, 5 with 2, 5 into 2. 21 2s are 42 by 5 2s are 10. So in denominator 0 is there, 1 0 means 10 is there. After 1 digit we keep a decimal. After 1 digit means 2, from right to left. 2, after 2 we keep a decimal, and after that 4 is there. So it is 4.2. This is terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Then after that 2 by 11. So 2 by 11, 11 is a prime number, so we cannot write so in the form of 2 and 5s. So 11, this denominator we cannot write in the form of 2 and 11. So 2 and 5, 2 and 5. So this is non-terminating decimal. So once check here. So 11 divided by 2. Then if you take point here, then we can take 0 here. 11 ones are 11 and 9 left and 1 0. 11 eights are 88 and minus 2 left and 0. 11 ones are 11, 9 left and 0. 11 eights are 88 and after that 2 and 0. 11 ones are 11 and 8 left, 9 left and 0. 11 eights are 88 and 2 left and so on. It will continue like this. So 0, here nothing is there means 0 we can take. 0.1818181818, it continues infinite times. So 2 by 11. So 2 by 11 is 0.18 bar. 0.18 bar. How can we represent this 0.1818181818? It continues infinite times. So we can take 0.18 bar like this. So this is non-terminating decimal. So when the denominator is in the means other than 5s and 2s, so then that is non-terminating decimal. If the denominator is in terms of 2 or 5s or 2 and 5s, then that is terminating decimal. Other than that, that is non-terminating decimal. This is non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal. This is non-terminating decimal. Okay students. Now the students see here next fraction 8 by 125. So then 8 by 125 first. So this numerator same and 125 we should convert into, so means we should write so as a product of prime factors. So that is 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Here how many 5s we have? 3 5s we have. To make tens, 100 and 1000, more 3 2s we need. How many? 3 2s we need. So we should multiply with 3 2s. 2 into 2 into 2, 3 2s divided by, multiply numerator and denominator with 3 2s. Okay, now, so how it is? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 by 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10. So 10 into 10 into 10, 10 into 10 into 10, that is 16 by 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000, 100 tens are 1000. Here, so if in the denominator, so if we have 3 zeros, that means, so in the numerator after 3 digits we should keep a decimal. So here, so one place and another place after 3 digits we keep a decimal. So here in the numerator we have only 2 digits, so more 1 digit we need. So for that we keep 1 0 on left side of the number. Okay, that is 610. Then after that 3 digits completed, then keep decimal. After the decimal nothing is there means we keep a 0, that is 0.016. This is terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Okay, so in this way first, so we should convert the denominators, we should write the denominators as a product of prime numbers. Then after that check what is there in the denominator. If the denominator is a product of 5s or 2s or 5 and 2s, then we can so write it as terminating decimal. Otherwise that is a non-terminating decimal. Okay. Yes, now the students, our next question, say in exercise 1.3, the question is here, So without performing division, so without doing division, so state whether the following rational numbers will have a terminating decimal form or non-terminating repeating decimal form. So in these two we should decide either the fraction, either a rational number is a terminating or non-terminating without performing division. So how to do? So first of all we should take we should find the prime factors of the denominator. If denominator prime factors are in terms of 2's or 5's or 2 and 5 combinations, then that is a terminating decimal. Otherwise it is a non-terminating decimal. It's very simple. So then here what is the denominator here? So 3125. First we should find prime factors of this denominator. So that is 3125. So the last digit is 5, we should divide with 5. 5 6s are 30, 1 left, 5 2s are 10 and 2 left, 5 5s are 25 and again with 5. 5 1s are 5, 1 left, 5 2s are 10, 2 left, 5 5s are 25, again with 5, again with 5, 5 2s are 10 and 2 left, 5 5s are 25 and again with 5, 5 5s are 25. So then if you multiply 5 times, then our answer is 3125. So then how can we take the first fraction? So 13 by 5 times, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So here the denominator prime factors are in terms of 5. Prime factors are in terms of 5. So it is terminating. It's terminating decimal. It's terminating. It's terminating decimal. It's a terminating decimal. It's a terminating decimal. Now after that the next fraction is 11 by 12. 11 by 12. So then how to convert this 11 by 12? Either it is a terminating or non-terminating. See here, so 11 we should take as it is 11 by 12. So this 12 we should write into prime factors. How? So then 2 into 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So prime factors, what are the prime factors of 12? 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3. Here the denominator is the combination of 2 and 3's. If the denominator is combination of 2 and 5's or 2's or 5's, then only that is a terminating decimal. Otherwise it is a non-terminating decimal. Here the denominator is 3. So 1 3 is there in the denominator in the prime factors of the denominator 12. So it is not a terminating, it is non-terminating repeating decimal. It's non-terminating. Non-terminating repeating. Repeating decimal, because denominator prime factors are the product of 2 and 3. Product of 2 and 3. The denominator prime factors product are 2 and 3. So if the denominator products other than 2 and 5, then they are non-terminating decimals. Okay. Now 64 by 455. Here 455 again split into prime factors. 5 9s are 45 and 1. 5 1s are 5. Then after that, that 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. So then 64, the numerator is same, and the denominator prime factors 5 into 7 into 13. 5 into 7 into 13. So The denominator prime factors are 5, 7 and 13. So this is in the form of these are the products of 5, 7s and 13. 5, 7s and 13. If the denominator prime factors are 5, 7 and 13, it means other than 5 and 2. So then we cannot write the given rational number as a terminating. It is a non-terminating. It's non-terminating. It's non-terminating. Repeating decimal, because denominator prime factors product is 5, 7 and 13. So that is why they are not terminating decimal. It is non terminating decimal. Now here 15 by 1600, 1600. First you find 1600 prime factors. So 8, don't take 8 prime numbers, we should take 2 8s are 16 and 0 0. Again with 2 4s are 8 0 0. Again with 2 2s are 0 0. 2 1s are 0 0. 2 50s are 100. 2 25s are, and after that 5 5s are. How many 2s we have? So 1 2 3 4 5 6. The product of 6 2s and 2 5s. So that is 1600. That is 15 by 2 6 and 5 2s. So here the denominator is the combination of the products of 2 and 5s. So it is terminating decimal. It's terminating decimal. It is terminating decimal. Why it is terminating decimal? Because here the denominator is the product of 2s and 5s. If the denominator product is 2s and 5s are, so 2s are 5s, then that is the terminating. Other than that, that is a non-terminating. Okay. So now the next question, 29 by 343. 343. So then first, so the denominator 343 split into prime factors. Then 7 4s are 28. 28 means 6 left. 7 9s are 63. Then 7 7s are 49. 7 7s are 49. So it means 29 by 343 means 7 into 7 into 7. The product of 7 3s, 7 into 7 into 7. So here the denominator is a product of 7s. So it is not a terminating, it is non-terminating decimal. It's non-terminating repeating decimal. Why? Because the denominator is the product of 7s. Okay. The next one, it is very easy to say. So either it is a terminating or non-terminating. So here the denominator is a product of 2s and 5s. If the denominator is product of 2s and 5s, it is terminating decimal. It's very simple. It's terminating decimal. It's terminating. It's terminating decimal, because the denominator is the product of 2s and 5s. So the next one, so the seventh question, 129 by 2 square, 5 power 7, 7 power 5. So it is a non-terminating decimal. Here the denominator is the product of 2s and 5s as well as 7. As well as 7 is also there, but only we need 2s and 5s. If the denominator is the product of 2s and 5s, then only that is the terminating. Other than that, if any number will come, so then that is the non-terminating decimal. It's non-terminating repeating decimal. non-terminating repeating decimal. And the next one, so 9 by 15. So first we should write this 9 by 15 denominator, so as a product of prime products, that is 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15. So here the denominator, the product of the 3s and 5s, 3 is there. So other than 5 came, other than 5 and 2, 3 came. So that is why it is a non-terminating decimal. It's non-terminating. It's non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay. So in this way we should decide either it is a terminating or non-terminating. So in this bit more 2 questions were there, the similar questions that you do as your home assignment. Okay students. Yes, now the students, next question. So write the following rational numbers in decimal form. So these rational numbers we should write in decimal form using theorem 1.4. Using theorem 1.4. So 1.4 theorem we discuss. So on the basis of theorem 1.4, so we should write this rational numbers in decimal form. So then how to write? So here it is also very easy. So then first the numerator we should take as it is and the denominator 25. So denominator we should write the product of prime factors. So 25, then how to take 25? 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. Here we have 2 5s. So make denominator tens, hundreds and thousands. So here we have to see how many 5s we have. So equal number of 2's we should take in the denominator. Here 2 5s we have, so 2 2's we should take in the denominator. So then if you take 2 2's, if you multiply with 2 2's with the denominator, and also we should multiply numerator also. Okay. So it means we should multiply numerator and denominator with 2 2's. Okay. So now 13 into 2 into 2, 13 2's are 26, 26 2's are 52, 52 by 5 2's are 10, 5 2's are 10. How many tens? 10 into 10, that is 52 by 10 tens are 100. Here 100 is there. If 100 is there in the denominator, it means after 2 digits we keep a decimal for the numerator. So here 1 digit, that is 2, and the second digit is 5. After 2 digits we keep a decimal, and after that nothing is there means 0 we should take, that is 0.52. Okay. So this is the conversion of rational numbers into decimal form, rational number into decimal form. Now the next question. So 15 by 16, next fraction, that is rational number, 15 by 16. So that numerator same, and 16 split into prime factors. So that is 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16. Here how many 2's we have in the denominator? 4 2's. It means 4 5's we should take. So we should multiply with 4 5's, numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator we should multiply with 4 5's, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 by 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now multiply. 5 5 are 25, 25 5 are 125, 125 5 are 625. 15 into 625 by 5 2's are 10, 2 5's are 10, 2 5's are 10, 2 5's are 10. How many tens? 4 tens. 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Now you multiply 625 with 15. So 15 5's are 75 and 7. 15 2's are 30, 30 plus 7, 37 and 3. 15 6's are 90, 90 plus 3, 93. 9375 by 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000, 1000 tens are 10,000. So then, so we are dividing the numerator with 10,000. So it means after 4 digits we keep a decimal. After 4 digits, that is 5, first digit is 5, second digit is 7, third digit is 3 and fourth digit is 9. After 4 digits we keep a decimal. After that nothing is left means we should keep 0. So that is 0.9375. 0.9375. Okay. So now the next, see here, 23 by 2 cube and 5 square. 2 cube into 5 square. So then first numerator same. 2 cube means 3 times, 2 into 2 into 2. Here 5 square means 5 into 5. So here see here 3 2's we have and 2 5's we have. So more 1 5 we need. So here to equal 2's number of 2's, how many 2's we have? 3. Here 2 5's. So we make equal 5's and 2's. So then to make equal 2's and 5's, more 1 5 we need. So we should multiply numerator and denominator with 1 5. Okay. Now 23 5's are 3 5's are 15, 3 2's are 10, 11. 115 by 2 5's are 10, 2 5's are 10, 2 5's are 10. That is 3 tens, 10 into 10 into 10. So that is 115 by 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. So then 1000. So here 1000 is there. So after 3 digits we keep a decimal. So after 3 digits means first digit is 5, second digit is 1 and the third digit is 1. After 3 digits we keep a decimal and 0. 0.115. Okay. So now students, next question, 7218 divided by 3 square and 5 square. 3 square and 5 square. So here the denominator is the product of 3's and 5's. If the denominator is the product of 3's and 5's, then that is the non-terminating decimal. It's very simple to say it is a non-terminating decimal. So first we should divide. So 3 5's are 15. 15 square means 225. With 225 we should divide this number. 225 is a very big number. So first of all we should convert, means we can make it simple. So to divide. So then how to make it simple to divide? So first here how many 5's we have? 2 5's. It means 2 2's you should take and multiply. 2 square and 2 square. So then 7218 into 2 square means 2 2's are 4 by 3 square as it is. 5 square means 5 into 5. 2 square means 2 into 2. Then after that 4 8's are 32, 3, 4 1's are 4 plus 3 7, 4 2's are 8, 4 7's are 28, 28,872 by 3 square is 9 into 5 2's are 10, 5 2's are 10, 10 into 10. Then 28,872 by 9 into 10 tens are 100, 10 tens are 100. So here 100 we are dividing with 100 means after 2 digits we keep a decimal. So then 2, 7. After 2 digits we keep a decimal. Then after that 8, 8, 2 is left. 8, 8, 2 by, so this 10 after 2 digits we keep a decimal. Now you don't need to write again 100. So just you write 9. So now you divide with 9 is enough. Otherwise we should divide with 225. That is a big number. Okay. Now we divide with 9. 9 divides 288.72. Now 9 2's are 9 3's are 27, 9 3's are 27 by, so 1 8, 9 3's are 18, then after that 7 is not divisible by 9. So again one more digit, here decimal number we are taking means here we keep a decimal. So then after that, so 7, again we should take 2. So 2 digits we are taking at a time means we should keep a 0 here. 9 8's are 72. So then the answer is, so 7218 divided by 3 square and 5 square is 33.08. 33.08. This is the answer. Okay. Now here the students, 9 3s are 27 and 8 minus 7 is 1 and this 8. So 8 means 9 2s are 18 here, 9 2s are 18, that is 32.08. 32.08 is the answer. Okay. Now the next one, 143 divided by 110. 110 is a bigger number, no? So first you make it simple. 143 divided by 11 tens are 110. So we are dividing with 10, no? So after one digit we keep a decimal. After one digit means 3.41 as it is. So then 11. After one digit we keep a decimal, no? Again you don't need to write again 10 here. So now divide with 11. 11 divided by 14.3. 11 ones are 11. So then 3 left. Again decimal number. Here we are taking decimal number means keep here a decimal. And now take 3. 11 3s are 33. 33 minus 33 is 0. It means 143 by 110 is equal to 1.3. 1.3. Okay. Now the next question. So the fourth question, express the following decimal numbers in the form of P by Q. Some decimal numbers are given, so that decimal numbers we should convert into P by Q form. So then after that, so write the prime factors of Q. So we should write prime factors of Q also. So what do you observe he is asking? So in this some terminating decimals are given, some non-terminating decimals are given, in some so neither a terminating and nor a non-terminating decimals are given. So then first here, so terminating decimal is given. So when terminating decimal is given, then how to convert terminating decimal into P by Q form? See here 43.123. 43.123. It means this is a terminating decimal. So here from right to left, after 3 digits we have a decimal 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits we have a decimal. So first of all, without decimal number we should take, that is 43,123 divided by, without decimal, so whatever the number is given, that number we should write, we should copy. So then after that, after how many digits we have a decimal? After 3 digits. If after 3 digit decimal is there, so then we should take in the denominator 1000. We should take 1000 in the denominator. If after one digit, if decimal is there, then we should write 10. So in the denominator. If after 2 digits decimal is there, then we should take 100. If after 3 digits decimal is there, then we should write 1000. After 4 digits, if decimal is given, then we should take 10,000 in the denominator. If after 5 digits we have a decimal, then we should take 7 lakh in the denominator. According to that, after how many digits we have a decimal, according to that we should take denominator. Either it is 10 or 100 or 1000 or 10,000 or lakh, 10 lakh. So that depends on the decimal. Okay. Now it is in the form of P by Q. After writing P by Q, what he is asking? So write the prime factors of Q. Q means denominator. Q. What is Q? What is Q here? Q means denominator. So denominator prime factors we should write. So then 43,123. So that is 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. So then 43,123 divided by 10 means 5 twos are. Again one more 10 means 5 twos are. Again one more 10 means 5 twos are. Then 43,123. How many 5s we have? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is 5 cube. How many 2s we have? 1, 2, 3. That is 2 cube. 5 cube and 2 cube. So the denominator is the product of 5s and 2s. The prime factors are, denominator prime factors are 5 and 2s. So that is why this is terminating decimal. So what you observe, he is asking. So first what he is asking? First decimal number in the form of P by Q, decimal number in the form of P by Q. So according to the first question, this is over. And write prime factors. Prime factors, this is over. And the third, what he is asking, what do you observe he is asking? Here I observe that denominator prime factors are 2 and 5. 2 and 5. So, it is terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. So, this is our observation. Now, after that, so the next question. So, 0.1201, 12001, 12001, 12001. So, the first one is 12001, 12001, 12001. So, the sequence, this is the sequence given. So, this sequence is neither a terminating nor a non-terminating decimal. It is neither a terminating decimal nor a non-terminating decimal. So, if the given decimal is neither a terminating decimal nor a non-terminating decimal, that is irrational number. If the number is irrational number, so we cannot write that in P by Q form. Okay? So, we cannot write that in P by Q form. So, here given decimal neither a terminating nor a non-terminating repeating decimal, neither a terminating nor a non-terminating repeating decimal. So, it is not a rational number, that is why that implies, so we cannot write this decimal number in P by Q form. So, we cannot write the given this decimal number into P by Q form. Why? Because this is an irrational number. Okay, students. Now, the next question. So, 43.12 bar. So, this is non-terminating decimal. So, here bar. So, bar is given means this is non-terminating decimal. So, when non-terminating decimal is given, then how to convert this into P by Q form? See here. So, whatever the given, so that we consider as x. X is equal to 43.12 bar. So, 43.12 bar. So, what it means? X is equal to 43 point. So, 12 bar means 12 will repeat 12, 12, 12. So, bar number will repeat. So, 43.12 bar means 12, 12, 12, 12 will repeat infinite times. So, this we take equation 1. This as equation 1. Here, after that we have to check after how many places we have a bar. So, after here 2 places, on 2 places we have a bar. It means we should divide with 100. If on 2 places we have a bar, then multiply with 100. In 3 places, on 3 places bar is there, then multiply with 1000. On 4 places bar is there, then multiply with 10,000. On 1 place if bar is given, then that means we should multiply with 10. Here on 2 digits we have a bar. It means multiply by 100 on both the side. Multiply by 100. Multiply equation 1 by 100 on both the side. Multiply equation 1 by 100 on both the side. This is equation 1. Multiply by 100. That is 100 into x is equal to then 100 into 43.12, so on. Now, 100 into x, 100x. Then if you multiply with 100, then where the decimal will move? The decimal will move 2 places from left to right. So 2 places, this is 1, this is 2. After 2 places, the decimal will come here. After 2 places, that is 4312. Here point will come. Then after that 121212 will repeat same. If we multiply with 100, the decimal place will move 2 places from left to right. Left to right. So after 2, the decimal point will come here. Then 4312.121212 will repeat. So now this as equation 2. Now subtract 2 minus 1. Equation 2 minus equation 1. Equation 2 minus equation 1. What is equation 2? That is 100x is equal to 4312.121212 and so on. And what is equation 1? Equation 1 is, this is our equation 1, that is x. X is equal to 43 point. How to write 43? Here 3 and here 4. So in 1's place 3 and 10's place 4. And after that point. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now subtract. So here x is given. X means here 1. There is no coefficient, means 1 is there. 1 is the coefficient here. Then 100 minus 1. 100 minus 1 is 99. 100x minus 1x, that is 99x is equal to, now subtract from right to left. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Then after that decimal point will come. Then here 2 minus 3, so we cannot make minus, borrow from here. 12 minus 3, 9. Here 10, here 2, 10 minus 4, 6, 2, 4. 4269.000 means 4269. So what is our x? X is 4269. Here multiplication is there between this, so that will get in denominator. That is, so 4269 divided by 99. So this is our x. What is our x? Our x is 43.12. So x means 43.12 is equal to 12 bar. So our x value, so replace our x value, that is 43.12 bar is equal to 4269 by 99. So then how to write 99? So this is p by q form. So that p by q form we got. After converting into p by q form, again we should write into prime factors, denominator prime factors. 3 3s are 9, 9 11s are 99. 9 11s are 99. Here what you observe? Here we observe that, so the denominator is the product of 3 and 11s. So that is why it is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay. So first what we should do? First we should convert the given non-terminating repeating decimal into p by q form. So after converting p by q form, so then we should write the denominator into prime factors. So that is 3 into 3 into 11. So here the product of 3s and 11s. So that is why this is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay. Now the next question, 0.63 bar. So what is 0.63 bar? So this whatever is given, that we consider x. X is equal to 0.63 bar. 0.63 bar. So that means x is equal to 0.63, 63, 63 and so on. This we consider as equation 1. These are equation 1. So then after that, so once you check after how many digits we have a bar. So here on 2 digits, on how many digits we have a bar? On 2 digits we have a bar, first and second. On 2 digits we have a bar. If on 2 digits we have a bar, so then we should multiply, so by 100. So multiply equation 1 by 100 on both the side. Then 100 into x, that is 100x is equal to 100 into 0.6363 and 63 so on. So that is 100x is equal to, if you multiply with 100, so where the decimal point will move? So here we have a decimal point. If we multiply with 100, the decimal point will move 2 places from left to right here. So after first one place, 2 places. After 2 places, the decimal point will come here. So after 3, the decimal point will come. That is 063 point. It means 063. No need to write 0. So 63 is enough. 63.63, 63 and 63 so on infinite times. This as equation 2. Now equation 2 minus equation 1. Equation 2 minus equation 1. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Equation 1 from equation 2. Now take here equation 2 first. That is 100x is equal to 63.63, 63, 63 and so on. The equation 1 is, this is our equation 1, x is equal to 0.636363. Then x is equal to 0 should write in ones place, 0 point. So then 63, 63, 63 and so on. Now subtract. So here x means 1x, that is 1x. 100x minus 1x, 100 minus 1, that is 99x. 99x is equal to, now you subtract 3 minus 3 0, 6 minus 6 0, 3 minus 3 0, 6 minus 6 0, 3 minus 3 0, 6 minus 6 0, then point. 3 minus 0, 3, 6 as it is, that is 63.00000, 0.000, no need to take point. Why? Because in the decimal places all are zeros. Then x is equal to 63 by 99. Then 63 by 99, then cancel with 3 table. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So what is our x? X is equal to 21 by 33. This is our non-terminating repeating decimal, so that we converted into p by q form. So what is our x? Our x is 0.63. Our x is 0.63. 0.63 bar. 0.63 bar is equal to 21 by 33. 21 by 33. 0.63 bar is equal to 21 by 33. So this is in p by q form. After writing that into p by q form, so we should split prime factors. So we should write prime factors of the denominator, that is 21 by 33 means 3 11s are 3 11s are. So that is 21 as it is 3, 33 means 3 11s are. So here the denominator is the, so prime factors means denominator prime factors are 3 and 11. If the denominator so products are, prime factors are 3 and 11, so that means other than 2 and 5, that is non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. So that we observed here. So what we observed here, the denominator prime factors are other than 2s and 5s. So that is why this is non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay.